Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have what matters: the cPanel backup file and credentials. First, log into cPanel and open File Manager. Navigate to the target folder where you'll restore. Upload the tar, GZ, or zip backup directly into that folder using Upload, don't extract yet. Once uploaded, use Extract to inspect the archive contents, identify public HTML, home, and any SQL dump files. Make sure you know the database name and DB user referenced, because you'll need them next for import and replacement. Once files are extracted, check public HTML for wp-config, PHP to confirm site path and DB settings. Next, open phpMyAdmin for the database import. If the dump is large, use the Import tab or cPanel's MySQL Restore if available. For compressed files, upload then import the SQL. If the DB doesn't exist, create it via MySQL databases, add a user, and grant all privileges. Match those credentials in wp-config. PHP. Make sure table prefixes. To finish, confirm file permissions, files 644, folders 755, and ensure wp-config. PHP contains the restored DB credentials, then flush permalinks by visiting Settings Permalinks. If the site shows errors, enable WP debug in wp-config. PHP to capture messages and check the cPanel error log for clues. If database connection fails, recheck DB user grants and host value. Sometimes localhost differs. A key troubleshooting tip: run a search and replace for the old URL in the database. If assets or links are broken, that often fixes mixed content and redirect issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.